In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up volume profile charts on GoCharting. Now, there's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both right now. The first one is using an indicator. So you want to go to this study tab up top. If you can't see it, you want to click on the three dots top right to open widgets and make sure indicators are enabled with the check mark over here. Then you want to click on study to open indicators. And then from here, you want to look for volume profile. Okay, as you can see, you have two of them. You have volume profile and the one which is tick, so you can of course select whichever one you want. I'm just going to select the first one, and there you go. You actually have your volume profile over here on the right. If you want to customize it, you can right click and then click on edit settings, and in here you can see you can basically customize it however you want, like the colors, the value areas, etc. All can be customized in here, and then just click on the X button whenever you're done and you are good to go. Now the second way would be to actually use drawing tools. So if I get rid of this right now over here like this, you can go to tools over here top left to open drawing tools, and then from here you want to go to shapes and text and you want to click on it, and then over here at the top you can see it's of course there's two of them, fixed range volume profile and the one with ticks as well, which is currently in beta. So I'm going to use this regular one, so the fixed range volume profile. I'm going to click on it, and then all you have to do is of course select where you want it. I'm going to start over here, so I'm going to click once, and then when you click once, you can drag to the second point and then click for the second time, and just like this, as you can see, it's going to give you the volume profile directly on that specific portion of your chart. And of course you can move it as well by clicking these circles over here, moving them around, etc. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.